Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming compatibility. Determine whether the PLC expects syncing or sourcing inputs and match the proximity sensor accordingly. Once done, verify sensor voltage and output current so you don't overload the input card. Make sure to power down and use lockout/tagout. This protects you and the system. Next, route wires from sensor to the PLC input channel, keeping signal cables away from high-current power cables to avoid noise. Label both ends for easy identification. Now wire the sensor. Connect the common to the PLC common and the sensor output to the selected input terminal. Tighten terminals to spec so you get a reliable connection. If the sensor or PLC needs it, add a pull-up or pull-down resistor between signal and supply to define idle state. Once wired, power up and configure the PLC input as discrete, set debounce and sampling time to filter jitter, and create a simple monitor routine to watch the input state change in real time. Finish by testing. Actuate the proximity target while watching the PLC input indicator and your monitor routine. You should see clean transitions. Once confirmed, secure cables with strain relief and add shielding or a ferrite bead where interference occurs, and fasten sensor mounting to prevent movement. If signals are noisy or absent, first measure output with a multimeter, then swap in a known good sensor or try a different input channel. This isolates whether the sensor, cable, or PLC input is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.